Before buying a beard trimmer, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Real buyers are definitely talking about the consistency of trims and how some options promise more than they deliver. Product number 1, Norelco All-in-One 3000 Series. The Norelco Philips All-in-One 3000 series caught my eye right away, especially with its sleek design and impressive price of $34.96. If you want a solid 13-in-1 trimmer that covers all your grooming needs, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It features self-sharpening full metal blades that stay sharp over time, no more dull blades that tug at your hair. With 8 length settings ranging from 0.5 to 16, you can easily achieve anything from a clean stubble to a full beard. Plus, the detailed trimmer adds that extra precision for those tricky spots. With a 4.5-star rating and over 193,000 reviews, it's clear that many users are impressed. Now, some people complained about the lack of a wall adapter for charging. Here's the thing though, most USB chargers are universal nowadays, so it's not a deal breaker if you have a charger lying around. It just means you'll need to be more mindful when you're on the go. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an all-in-one solution that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you want a specialized tool for styling only, as it caters to a broader audience. For what you pay, the value is definitely there. Now, if the lack of a wall adapter bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Uffrey Beard Trimmer Waterproof. Next up is the Uffrey Beard Trimmer, priced at $29.59. This one stood out because it's waterproof, which is a huge plus if you like shower shaving. If you want a versatile grooming kit that can handle everything from your beard to your body hair, keep listening. The Uffrey comes with 6 trimmer heads and 5 guide combs, making it incredibly adaptable for various grooming needs. The powerful lithium-ion battery provides 90 minutes of runtime after just 1.5 hours of charging, perfect for those busy mornings. Plus, the R-shaped skin-friendly blades minimize irritation while delivering a close trim. With a solid 4.4-star rating from 28,600 reviews, it's clear that many men are loving this product. Some users mentioned that the motor could be a bit noisy. Here's the thing though, it's not too loud to be bothersome and the performance is spot on, which makes it worth it for the efficiency you gain. This is great if you're someone who appreciates versatility and convenience in one package. Skip this one if you're looking for something with a quieter motor, as it might not meet your expectations. For the price, it's hard to argue against its value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a compact design. Product number 3, Uffrey 7-in-1 Grooming Kit. Now let's talk about another Uffrey option, the 7-in-1 Grooming Kit, priced at $35.99. This one really caught my attention for its extensive attachments. If you want an all-in-one solution that doesn't skimp on features, this is a must-consider. This kit offers 7 trimmer heads and 10 hair combs, covering everything from your beard to body hair. The sharp steel blades can cut through even the thickest hair effortlessly, with a powerful motor that can reach up to 6,500 RPM. What really stands out is the 2-week battery life, perfect for travel. Additionally, it's easy to clean, just rinse the blades under water. With a 4.3-star rating from 16,200 buyers, it's a popular choice. However, some users did mention that the battery life could dwindle faster with heavy use. Here's the thing though, for occasional grooming sessions, the battery holds up really well, and for the price, it's a strong performer. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive grooming kit that covers all bases. Skip this one if you only need something for beard trimming specifically, as it might feel a bit overwhelming. For the features you get, this is a fantastic deal. Now, if that many attachments felt like overkill for you, the next product is a simpler option that might fit your needs better. Product number 4, Uffrey 3-in-1 Beard Trimmer. Next on the list is the Uffrey 3-in-1 Beard Trimmer, which is priced at just $19.99. This caught my eye for its simplicity and affordability. If you want a no-fuss trimmer that still gets the job done, listen up. This kit includes 3 heads for beard, sideburn, and nose hair, along with various guard combs. It has a strong motor that can reach up to 8,000 RPM, and believe me, it glides through hair without any pulling. The Type-C charging is a modern touch, allowing for a full charge in 90 minutes, giving you 120 minutes of use. Plus, it's waterproof, which makes cleanup super easy. With a 4.2-star rating from 3,000 reviews, it's gaining popularity. However, some users have noted that it lacks a few advanced features like adjustable length settings. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who just wants a straightforward trimmer, this won't matter much at all. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an economical option that does the basics well. Skip this one if you want advanced features, as it might leave you wanting more. Given its low price, it's hard to find better value. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more premium, the next trimmer could be exactly what you're after. Product number 5, Affree 7-in-1 Beard Grooming Kit. Finally, we have the Affree 7-in-1 Beard Grooming Kit, also priced at $35.99. This one shares a lot with the previous Affree models but adds even more versatility. If you want a comprehensive grooming experience, this is worth a look. It features 7 trimmer heads and 10 combs, similar to the other Affree models but with refined performance. The ergonomic design makes it easy to hold and maneuver, and the waterproof feature means you can use it in the shower without worry. With a 4.3-star rating from 16,200 reviews, it's well received. Some customers have mentioned that it can take a little longer to clean due to multiple parts. Here's the thing though, it's a small trade-off for the flexibility you gain in grooming options. This is perfect for you if you want a trimmer that can handle every grooming task you throw at it. Skip this one if you prefer a single-use device that's simpler to maintain. Considering the range of features, you're getting great value for your money. So to wrap it up, the Norelco offers a great all-in-one option. Affree's waterproof versions provide versatility, while the simpler models cater to those who want no fuss. Depending on your grooming needs, there's something on this list for every guy out there. Happy trimming!